teacher, supervisor, principal, teachers, parents, and pupils. Good afternoon. It's my honor to represent the kinder pupils to give thanks to all of you. To Banay-Banay Elementary School, thank you from being a child-friendly and safe space for us. To our teachers, especially to Ma'am Arlene, thank you from teaching us not only the curriculum but also the values and discipline that want us to be a better children. To our classmates, who become our friends, brothers, and sisters for 10 months. Thank you, classmates. To our parents and guardians, to my nanay Pia and Tita Buena, thank you from always guiding, from taking good care of us, from waking up in the morning,